Hello again. In the last video, I've shown you a PostgreSQL function which we are going to use in the constructor in our guest registration.py model in order to create a new guest registration. It is important that we also use PostgreSQL because it simplifies our Python code. Now, to create new records in Python or a Odoo model, we are going to use Python's constructors. Okay, I will show you in the succeeding code below. I'll also post a link to the actual source code that you will append in guest registration.py as follows. No? This is the code actually. Okay, so let me go to our guest registration.py. We are going to copy that code from our uh, GitHub repository. Let me upload it first because I don't think I've uploaded it yet. I'm sorry for that. So there it is. It's for video 25. How do you create? So this is the constructor. Okay, so let me explain it. So def create. When you say create is a default function in a model where it is used to name the constructor. So it is called every time a new button is clicked in your list view. So it passes self, which is the guest registration model, and the values list. Okay, that will be returned by the calling function, calling by the corresponding PostgreSQL function. Okay, for now we have a for loop. Okay, uh, if you don't have a guest registration ID, we are going to get it by calling the fn get doc no. Okay, the doc type, which is actually in Python, you declare a variable on the fly. So therefore, our doc type is grc, and our company ID is the current company ID being used. Now, this is how to call. Okay, this is how to call a PostgreSQL function. We are going to say self.env.cr.execute. Okay, it will use our inventory, or rather environment variable found in odoo.conf. Okay, and it will execute a query called select star from public because that's the schema hotel fn doc node. That's get doc node. That's our that's the name of our newly created PostgreSQL function. Percent %s is the first parameter. The second percent %s is the second. No, the first percent %s is the first parameter, followed by the second parameter. The first parameter being the company ID, which we have fetched from the environment, and the doc type, which we have set to grc. Okay, and then to fetch the result, we say self env.cr.fetch1. Fetch1 will ensure that only the first result is executed, or rather is returned, because remember that PostgreSQL returns a select statement. And then the value of grc ID. Okay, we say vals grcrd is equal to result is equal to 0. Okay, if result is if else 1, no, which means that if this is not numeric, if no result is found, it will get a value of 1. Okay, and then when we say records create, super, this will now create an actual record in our guest registration model. Okay, and when we say return records, okay, it will display, okay, the following the records that were created in your list view. Okay, so now let's copy this. We'll just copy the whole file so that the indentions will also be adapted, and we will go to our guest registration.py and we will append it there. Okay, now there's a indentation problem, so we'll just indent, and that's there. Now before we can create our new registration, we'll first create a basic guest registration form. We will do that in the next video, and thanks for watching this. Bye for now.